In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link a button to section in Carrd. Start by heading to carrd.so and opening your dashboard. Select the site you want to edit to launch the builder. We'll set up the destination first so the button knows exactly where to send visitors. Click Add and choose Control. In the Controls settings, open the Type drop-down and switch it to Scroll Point. This creates an anchor on your page. On the canvas, drag the scroll point to just before the content you want to reveal when someone clicks the button. Placing it slightly above a heading or block usually gives a cleaner, more centered result when the page scrolls. Take note of the scroll point's name and copy it. You'll use this exact text in the button link. Keep names simple and predictable, like About, Features, or Contact. Lowercase and hyphens work well because they're easy to read and type, and avoiding spaces helps prevent link issues. Now add the button. Click Add again and choose Buttons to drop a button element onto the page. Open the button settings by clicking the small arrow to expand its options. Update the label so it clearly tells people what will happen, such as Learn More or Go to Pricing. In the URL field, enter a hash sign followed by the scroll point name you copied earlier, for example, #features. Don't include slashes or the full site address, just the hash and the name. That tells Carrd to scroll within the same page. Position the button wherever it makes sense in your layout. You can drag it within a section, place it near your hero text, or align it with other calls to action. When you're happy with the placement and settings, click Done to save your changes. Let's publish so you can verify everything works live. Click Publish, then Publish Changes. Once that's finished, click View Site to open your page. Test the button you just created. When you click it, the page should smoothly scroll to the exact section you targeted. If the content lands a little too high or low, especially if you're using a sticky header, move the scroll point a bit higher or lower, or add a little spacing above the target block to fine-tune where the scroll ends. You can repeat this process to link multiple buttons to different sections on the same page. Just create additional scroll points, note their names, and use the matching hash links in your buttons. That's all there is to it. Save, publish, and you're done.